Hello YouTube. I'm here to show you my Suburban. I just bought it. Well, I got it just for car audio and back and forth to work because I'm tired of putting miles on my 2004 Mercury Marauder. I love that car, but I'm racking too many miles. So I got this thing. It's pretty nice, but it has a whack ass audio system in it. Bose, they say they're good, but they're okay. Now, I also got a Cadillac back there with Bose in it, SUV, and it's pretty freaking awesome. I mean, the bass is there for factory. It's there. But this audio system and this thing is Bose and it sucks. Listen to it. Let me just turn it on.
My nigga Larry on the beat, making all the hits.
Good morning, nigga. Hey, D. Look, I swear. Yeah, big stick on the pants up. I look like I hit licks or got a tan plug. Making blow all day till my hands numb, iced up. Ferragamo belt look like handcuffs. Nigga, fuck you niggas playing with. I catch an attitude, get the spraying shit. Long sleeve, big shoes with a K in it. Hella bands, all type of Jews, I'm playing it. I swear, pussy nigga, I'm gon' eat. Unloyal or a rat, something I won't be. Let a pussy nigga play me, something I won't see. Send them niggas where you at, pussy I gon' see. All my niggas sell dope, fuck you thought we did. In the motherfucking trenches, fuck you thought we been. Came up in the slums, fuck you thought we lived. Shoot trips and guns just to floss this shit. Yeah, fuck you thought we did. Fuck you thought we did. Bitch. Fuck you thought we did. Fuck you thought we did. All my niggas.
Now, it sound clear. I'm not gonna kill them on that. But there's no bass. I mean, you can hear a little bit of it because it has like a little bitty tiny subwoofer down up under the cup holder. That's all you get. They should have put it in the back. And maybe it would have felt a little deeper by being back there. I don't know. But I'm about to show you what I just purchased. Well, not really just purchased. I had the amplifiers for a year. Still haven't put them in. I got these babies right here. Well, the sun is kind of beaming a little hard. It's a Rockford Fosgate. Let's see. You can see that. 1500.1. Then I got the 400-4. I use Steve Mead. Everybody know who that is. I'm like a follower of his, so I use his video to do a little research on this amplifier. Tested out pretty good. I was happy with the results. So that's what made me buy that thing. $800 is a lot of money for an amp. If people look at it, oh, it's so small. I haven't hooked it up yet, but hopefully it does what I seen it do on the video. Then I got this because I wanted to run highs because Bose sucks. Hopefully this will make it sound good. Don't know what speakers I'm going to use in the car yet. Really haven't did any homework on that. But the subwoofer, it will be a Sundown. One subwoofer. That's all you need. The right box. And I guarantee you, it's gonna sound good. But I had to install my little amp kit first. So I'm gonna run with extra batteries and all that shit. So the wiring harness for the amplifier will be a little difficult, a little bit more expensive because of the fuses and the distribution blocks and stuff like that, but it'll be okay. But that's all for now. I'm gonna have to cut this video off and go in the house and eat. Thanks for watching.